Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Taurus. We are picking few cards, and I have a fairy tale pick a card love reading coming right after this general energy, guys. So, if you are interested to watch that, you can go ahead, guys. So, that reading will follow this general energy. So, this card is for your relationship and this for your career situation, Taurus. So, let's start with the general reading. So, we have Queen of Cups in reverse, Three of Pentacles in reverse, and the World in reverse. So, in your situation, guys, in your career or in your personal life, there are some obstacles or blocks in your situation, guys. Something obstructing you, there may opposing you or competing with you in your career, or they are not making efforts like you, so you are very responsible. You are making lot of efforts and you are using your skills and talents, having that 100% concentration in your work, or it may be in your life, in your personal life. You are putting in lot of efforts, but the people with you in your work situation or in your uh, relationship, that person, so they are not making any efforts, or they are not making efforts equal to you, guys. So there may be a difference because of that, because the way you are working, difference in the way you both are working. So that may again be the reason that certain things are not going as expected. So some kind of difficulties because of that, guys. And maybe you may have that understanding with this person, but maybe for some reason they are not respecting you or treating you well, or you are not respecting them or treating them well. So some kind of arguments or quarrels because of that. And I also see that in certain circumstances, whatever you are trying, things are not going in a positive way. So some difficulties because of that also, guys. And maybe you are not having that clarity in your situation, truth about what needs to be done. So maybe because of that also, situation is not going as you expected, Taurus. So let's see what is the card Hermit for your relationship, guys. So you are thinking about what needs to be done today for your relationship. So you are thinking maybe you want to do the right thing. So you are taking time to decide what needs to be done today in this love, in this relationship, guys. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's Seven of Cups. So, with this card, you are having lots of dreams and fantasies for your career, what needs to be done, what goals to be achieved. But all that has to come, if all that has to come in reality, you need to work for it, guys, to make it manifest. So, I see that you are making great efforts to reach your goals and your dreams or whatever aspirations you have for yourself, Taurus. So that is what I see with these cards, Taurus. That is the reading for you all today. If you are interested to watch that fairy tale pick a card love reading, stay tuned for that. That is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, today's reading is going to be different. It's going to be like a fairy story. So, whatever your situation is, you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, and choose the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card for the first reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. So let's see what is your fairy story. It's brother and sister transformation. So, with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card, it just means that whatever knowledge or wisdom that we have in our situation, and whatever likes or dislikes or instincts that we have, so all that must work in harmony if we want a peaceful life. And in our situations, maybe some things are pointing us towards something in our life, in it may be in our relationship or it may be in our day to day life. There are some warning signs you are seeing. You need to be really careful, guys. If you are maybe if you have people telling you something, suggesting you something, or you yourself are having some instincts about something or intuition about something, you need to listen to it. If you do not do that, there will be some consequences and you will have to live with those consequences, guys. So today you should not fear the people who are envious of you, jealous of you. You need to move forward in life, have that positive outlook, listen to people who are suggesting you something. So there is someone suggesting you, it may be your sibling, sister, or a brother telling you something, you need to listen to it. So that way you will be able to overcome any difficulties in your situation, guys. And this story, the story with this card, is about the balance that we need to maintain, guys, in our life. So we should not go for that instant gratification. So things are tempting us all along in life. There are so many circumstances tempting us, but we should have that strong will in our heart. We should always lean towards good life, guys. So in order to lead a good life, we should not take up something, we should not go for that instant gratification in our situation. So that is what will work against us. So we need to think through what needs to be done today, and our actions should not affect the people who are with us. So we should think about that also in our situation, guys. So for that harmony and balance, to find that harmony and balance in our situation, we should take life in a simpler way, learn to live life simply by leaning towards the good things, maybe good behavior, good habits, good words, and we should care for people, maybe younger people in our life, maybe our younger siblings, brother or sister. And this card has a strong, what to say, that bonding between brothers and sisters. So maybe in your situation, guys, you have your brother or sister helping you, suggesting you something, you need to listen to it, guys. That is what I see with this card, and that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. This is your story. I hope it resonates. If it does, please like and comment, guys. So now let's start with the second card. So we will keep this aside. So this is your second card. We have the white snake. Understanding. So that is the card. Such a beautiful card here. So this card just means that all our sacrifices will be rewarded for sure, and good work or good behavior or goodness in us is always rewarded, and our courage is always rewarded. So no need to put up excuses when we are confronted with truth, guys. So we cannot make any excuses to escape from some truth in our situation. So something has come up in your life, maybe some experience. People may seem distant, unemotional, or lacking in warmth towards you. But if you continue to do the right things, be good and be in your goodness, or not change by the way people are treating you or by the way your circumstances are going. If you continue to be yourself, to be that good person, there will be a breakthrough moment, guys. So there is also a time, a turning point happening in your relationship. So this person will understand, will come to understand what you have done for them, what you have done for this love, and what you are worth. So you will be able to change people's life, help them to heal, and help them to heal in this situation, guys. Maybe they are hurt, they have some negative past, or some past memories are hurting them, or maybe for some of you it may be your present situation. They are hurt by how things are going today, but you need to understand that you have the power to heal with your goodness, guys. And by showing that true love and true goodness you have in your heart, you are going to heal your situation and heal this person you love, guys. So that is the story with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.